Highly blissful everyone, it's your girl Nix, and today I'm going to show you how I actually make my client look handsome again. Yeah, I haven't seen him for around probably 8 months now since the last time I did his hair, and he was in a rush today, so I decided that we're not going to do no interlocking because we don't have time for that. So I was going to do the comb twist. So I got my products out and I decided that I'm going to give him a nice little grooming and send him on his way. If I had more time, I'd do the grooming, especially with this hair, the loose hair. I'd feed it in more with the needle. But because we don't have enough time, I'm just gonna, do the maintenance, the locksmith maintenance, and try see if I can, meet his time schedule, right? So he's never had this done before. He's always had interlocking. So we're gonna change it up and do, comb twist. So this is how I do my comb twist. I have to give it a bit of tightness, restriction for it to stay, straight. So I attach the hair to the towel and clip it with my little hair clips. As I say, I have different method of doing hair maintenance, especially when I'm doing, comb, twist, retwist. Alright, I'm going to upload another video and you see a different method. So I do change sometimes, but it's the same result because it depends on, the texture of the hair and how long the hair is and, the the way the hair grows as well. All right. So all of these things I have to take in consideration, and I'll do certain method on certain hair differently because I know what I'm doing to that particular hair. But anyways, I am just showing you how I actually, retwist his hair and make him look handsome again. So I'm using my clove gel on his hair and it's working really good. And I also use a wax that I love so much. I don't use any other wax than this wax. I haven't seen any other wax that I really like to use that, works well with my clove gel. So I mix the two and I get a nice, neat result. And the hair stays into place for a long, long time. So here I'm just going in and I'm just spritzing the hair as I want it to still have that, damp feel that it can absorb the products in nicely. So my client's hair is really not kept to the best, of his ability because he's so busy working and he works in the warehouse. So his hair, he's not maintaining his hair properly. He lives really like probably 100 miles from me now where it's difficult for him to come ever so often. So I'm making sure that he gets the best, groomed today because I know he won't be back for a while. And I wanted it to last for a long time as well. So I'm making sure that, I wrap around all the hair strands and tighten them enough so it'll be neater for longer. So when it come back, it won't be so hard to maintain. So everything will start, locking in as it should. So yeah, I'm gonna do this around his entire head. Then I'm going to put him underneath the dryer and let him dry for a few minutes, to get it all set and everything. I've already oiled the scalp and do all of that already. So he's gonna be drying now, and then afterwards I'm going to style his hair. But I'm telling you, the transformation of his hair to now is just amazing. Even him, he was like, wow, he didn't know his hair was so shiny because the before and after tells a lot. He came in looking matte and then he left looking glossy. So it's like he was just so satisfied and he was like, Ras lady, I will come back in 6 weeks time and he'll try and keep up his maintenance. So that's what we're working at. His goal is to come back every 6 weeks to keep maintaining. And his hair won't be so thick at the ends anymore. It will start looking nice and slender, all looking almost the same size. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, how I groomed my client's hair. And I wanted to show you the end results of how he came in to how he is leaving my home salon. All right. So thanks for joining me, and don't forget to follow for more. I've got more videos coming up with styling and grooming men's hair. So if you're interested, please follow along and I create and make most of my products that I use. So highly blissfulness.